We have a 2024 Toyota Corolla XSE that have been draining the battery for some reason for quite some time. If we park a car for, let's say, a week, the battery will be drained completely. So we decided to go ahead and buy a new battery and install it and see how that goes. So we're going to be installing the battery today. In a minute here, we're going to be installing the new battery, and then we'll see how it goes. So this is a Toyota Corolla XSE. We're going to be installing the battery because it's been draining the battery within a week. If the car sits down for a week without being started, the battery will go down completely. So we got a new battery that we're going to install. We went and got a very good brand. It's Interstate. This is known to be good brand. So hopefully that was the problem. The other battery was old, and this will be fine. All right.